Yes, so today this is our first ECRM event. We're in Chicago, and this has been just a phenomenal event. We came in, we were prepared, I would say.
Very.
But having the actual experience of being here and meeting with buyers and talking through, and believe it or not, even though it's our first event, the preparation that we had with Recipe for Retail, Monique and Chavallo, our pitch deck, our sales sheet, we actually were rehearsing on the calls, and we used that in real time, and we got some yeses. So, we're in kind of a disbelief, I don't know what you call it.
Pinch me.
Right. So this will probably, maybe by the time we fly and land back in Houston, the reality will hit us that this was really I say maybe beyond even what our expectations and what we first event, but it all goes back to, again, having that knowledge that Monique and Chavallo shared with us, and then having a group around us that also sharing their experience. And so it was great.
Yeah, I agree. And I mean, their name says that also Recipe for Retail.
Recipe for Retail.
Recipe for Retail, but it's also a recipe for success.
Absolutely.
And if we can do it, you can do it too.
Absolutely.